there is someone making a noise. Aren't they funny? Anyway, how y'all doing? I don't know what to do. Shout out to Plasma. My friend Plasma, give him a big shout out. Shout out to Phantom Overlord. Shout out to Hungry Fat Chick. Shout out to the food guy. Shout out to everybody. Wish him well. Anyway, how y'all doing? Crunky HD was fake. I found out today. It was all fake. It was not the real Crunky HD. And if it was, it's quite a creep. And it was pretty scary. Them Canadians are scary. Yeah, the Canadians kind of scared me. I mean, that's scary. But I don't think it was real. But if it was, thank goodness I'm out of it. And they hate me, that's fine. And I'm okay. I'm just being silly. Anyway, peace. Please subscribe. Leave a like or dislike, whatever you want. Keep following me on TikTok. Keep subscribing if you can. And we'll see where it goes. And see you in the next vid. Thanks.